Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be talking about how to get an older version of GarageBand for your iPhone. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone. So guys, let's say that you're opening up the application you have downloaded normally from the App Store as you have, and after trying to open it up, it says that it doesn't want to run on your iPhone version or something similar, or you just need an older version of GarageBand for something to use for. If you want to use an older version, basically guys, the truth is that you cannot download an older version. You can using some other ways, either by jailbreaking your iPhone and so on. But if you're using your iPhone normally and you just want to get an older version of GarageBand while already having updated to the newest version, the sad answer is that you cannot do so. So if you do not want to get any newer versions of GarageBand to test them out and then come back to the later one, you do not want to switch from your versions right here. So go to the App Store and turn off your app updates so that you will not be getting any newer versions, and you just want to keep this GarageBand version. But sadly, there is no other way to go ahead and go back to a different version if you have already updated. So basically, that's nothing you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.